Hi guys, it's Szenan-Balance from TouTianLiang School. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my case. It's about lumbar disc herniation and neck disc cervical neck disc herniation case. The results are very good. Lower back basically gone, the pain's gone, and it's mainly a bit of numbness. And it's not happening every night now. This patient is taking herbs. When he first came, there's no pulse. Like we have 6 pulses on both sides, right? There's only 2 pulses I can feel. And now all the pulse came back. There's 1 pulse that hasn't got root. That's it. So it's much better. So mainly I want to show you thing is I've been posting about quick acupuncture, and people come and ask me, how do you perform quick acupuncture? So allow me explain a bit to you. So with quick acupuncture, I normally do for structure imbalance and meridian blockage. Those are 2 main things I go to it. In the last few months, I started to do organs balance as well. So previously, I think quick acupuncture is good for structure and meridian imbalance. And for the organs imbalance, I need to actually retain the needles. So I want to show you something that you don't need to retain needles and you still get good results. So my appointment schedule, every 15 minutes, I go to 1 patient. So in 1 hour, I treat 4 patients. Sometimes I treat 6 patients an hour. Okay, that is the maximum that I can see a patient in an hour. Right. So my charge, people want to understand my fee. Yeah. I charge quick acupuncture for $95 per session. Right. And retaining needle acupuncture sessions, I charge $140 at the moment. The price will go up next year as well. So if the patient comes to me, I perform quick acupuncture, 5 minutes, I charge 95. 10 minutes, 95. Or 12 minutes, like this case, 12 minutes, I finished the treatment, I also charge 95. So within 15 minutes, that's my cap. Right. Let's have a look how I do this treatment. So this treatment, I got I used 2 different techniques into it. One is balancing the pulse, balancing the organs. The other one is unblock the meridian and adjust the spine, the structure. So if you want to learn this technique, so there is a link in this video, around this video, and go ahead and pre-book the workshop, right? You don't have to pay anything, just letting me know where do you want to learn, which location. Then I'll be able to organize that workshop on that location, and then you'll be able to join in the future. I'll see you next time. Yeah, I'll explain it to it. All right, so this is a quick acupuncture treatment. We're basically doing structure and meridian blockage treatment. Unblock the meridian, but this patient also have organs imbalance. So I'm going to treat with the organ first. OK， 所以这个案例呢是一个快速针刺法。那快速针刺法呢，一般上呢我们就是做结构跟经络不通。现在这边正好有那个脏腑的不平衡，所以我先做脏腑的不平衡，这也是很快的啊。 The stomach meridian, reduce stomach 泻胃解析 point， 商丘穴也是泻法tonified， liver 行间 point liver 2， 所以就补行间，因为是肝虚 tonify 足灵气，补足灵气，这是用平脉的针法 balancing the pulse， so we check the pulse and see whether both are balanced. Okay, and tell both pulse are balanced now. This one was bigger and now this one is coming up. 所以刚才这边是比较大的，这边比较小的，现在已经平了。OK， 所以平了以后我们就可以出针了。So when the pulse balance, we can actually take out the needles. Right. 足三里 stomach 36. Can you feel it? Where does it go? Going down? Yep. Well done. Quite a strong one, eh? You don't like needle, I know. 他不喜欢针灸的人哦。Take it here? Yeah, good. So it's no longer have back pain. 他已经没有腰痛了哈。现在主要是手麻的一个问题啊，手麻已经好很多了。It's mainly the neck down to hand numbness, but that's much better already. Can you feel this one? Going down? Hot, eh? Okay. 感觉到热。真的哎。这案例呢，寸口脉有6部脉嘛，它原本只有2个脉可以达到而已，其他脉都达不到，现在已经就剩下最后一个脉没有达到，所有的脉都可以达到。OK。Can you feel that? Awesome. What do you feel? Jump? Twitching? You feel the twitching?
Yeah.
Good. And that one?
Yeah.
Twitching, eh? Yep. When was the last time you feel numbness in your hand?
Yeah.
When?
Last time, I think 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Yeah, it's a little bit, but before it's very
Strong.
strong. Yeah, but now it's a little bit.
A little bit. It's
Yeah.
not every day.
Not every day.
That's
No,
good.
no, no.
所以2天前他感觉到睡觉的时候跟他说嘛，之前都很厉害的，2天前他觉得那个程度不强啊。OK，Can you feel sensation going down to your hand? Going down? You feel jumping? Yeah. 跳了哈。OK， 哦，jumping 哎。Inside like this. Thank you. Just like that. Going up or down? Just local. Just local, eh? That's good now. Not too strong, eh? Ooh, this is strong. I can tell. Going down?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I know. Going right now, eh? Going down? Okay, good. I have 1 point here and here's better. Okay. On your stomach, please. Right on your stomach? There's no needle in there.
No needle.
Yeah, no. It's all quick acupuncture.
Keep going.
Quick needle. Here you go. Ah. So a patient's spine is not straight. Can you put your hand down? Double check. Yeah, 他的脊柱还不是太正，这边偏向那边，所以我们给他调脊柱。So we need to, in the session we have to treat the structure. Relax, eh? This is a very strong one. I know. This is for your spine. Okay. Do you feel sensation going down here? That's good. 好了，结束了，就剩最后几根针。Few more, okay? 华佗夹紧。那我们再 checking 哦。OK, good now. 好，这边已经回正了哈，可以了。Not yet. Few more point on your neck. Alright. I know you don't like the needle. Just a few more points, very quick. The patient doesn't like the needle because he's so afraid of needles. But numbness in uh, lumbar disc herniation and the neck herniation that need to needle, all right, not just herbs. Okay, done. Last one in here. 所以病人的颈椎啊，它有那个突出的，然后腰椎也有突出的，腰椎已经好了，所以他很怕针，可是没办法，他针灸是必然要的，要不然好不了啊。在吃药的同时给了针灸，所以这是 Chinese medicine herbs treatment as well as acupuncture combination treatment. That's it. All done.